In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to turn off keyboard sound on iPhone. Turning off the keyboard sound on your iPhone can enhance privacy and reduce distractions in quiet environments. It also prevents the noise from disturbing others around you. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. On the settings page, select onto this option of sounds and haptics. You will then navigate onto the option of keyboard feedback. On the sound option, make sure to disable it. When turned off, your keyboard sound will get to mute. This allows you to type discreetly, especially in settings like meetings, libraries, or public transportation. That's how easy it is to disable sound on your iPhone keyboard. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.